Hello, we meet again. This time a great video on how to make potato rolls. With only 2 potatoes. Simple as that. Of course, kitchen seasoning is indispensable. Today we need some salt, cooking oil and a few toothpicks. Okay, after peeling we will cut the potatoes into thin slices. There are many ways to do it. I use a scraper. Let me know how you do it in the comments. Hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Now they put in a teaspoon of salt. Sufficient water. Mix well and leave it for about 5 minutes. The water and salt will make the potatoes soft. That's okay. I'll throw the water away. Use absorbent paper to dry the potatoes. Please do like me. Let's spend time together exchanging many new recipes. Please share with me in the comments. Thank you. Have you tried any of the dishes on my channel? Does it help you? Let me know. I always listen to your feedback. Let's do it in turn until we run out of potatoes. It's fast, guys. Wish you a good day. This part is like that. Next I used fried dough. Spread evenly on the cutting board. Strip the potato pieces on top of them. Then turn over and spread the batter evenly over the potato. That's it. Guys, let's do this in turn until we run out of potatoes. That's one more step done. Now I will roll them up and use toothpicks to install. Because it was soaked in salt water, the potato pieces are very soft. Let me know how you do it. Each dish has many different recipes and methods, right? Done. Let's fry it. I fry it in a small pot with a lot of oil. Wait for the oil to boil. Alright guys. Just drop the potatoes in. Look at them boiling. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love the cooking sounds, they are great. Look at the potatoes that have turned yellow. Very beautiful, isn't it, my friends? Okay, let's take them out. I use a racket to catch. Put them on a plate. I removed the toothpicks. If you don't have a baby at home, you don't need to withdraw. Done, guys. You can eat it right away, or add cheese foam. We put the powder we like and then pick it all up since I like spicy food. I used chili powder. I wish you success after watching my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.